Our insurance agent arranged for Safelite to come directly to our home. He arrived on time, and the first thing he did was clean out any debris that may have been in the windshield chip area. Next, he attached a vacuum device and made sure that everything was totally clear before he injected the new compound into the back side of the unit. He let it set on there for about 15 to 20 minutes to let it cure completely. He scraped away any excess residue and now added a UV device to cure the resin. When that was all done, he cleaned the windshield completely from one end to the other, inside and out. He actually even offered to vacuum out our vehicle, but we declined, saying no, that was okay. We still have to, take care of it after camping. All finished, and we can't even see where the repair had been made from any angle. This is wonderful. Plus, our American Family Insurance glass policy takes care of the entire repair at no cost to us.